How to turn off video SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off video email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications. Now just click this one here, video, and turn SMS off. Now just you can go back, it will be saved, and and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.